Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the default pin, security pin on your Samsung TV. So let's go to settings right now, and then go to all settings, scroll on down, and let's go to general and privacy. Scroll all the way down, and we have the option to change your pin right here, our factory reset. So the default pin is going to be 00000 4 times. And it looks like I entered that in wrong because I already set this up, and I think I have just 66666. And then I just did that because it defaults to 6 and I don't have to scroll over. But 00000 should be the default pin. Or you could try 111111. So just one of those combinations, and you should be able to change this around. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.